Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Loharuka Green Vistas at Newtown Rajarat, and you can see this is the actual land of this project. This total project is having 7 acres of land. So, and we are having total 7 number of towers coming, G plus 14 and G plus 11 blocks will be coming, and right now we are on 211 bus route on Newtown Rajarat main road. This is the approaching road in the front gate. So you can see this is the road just in front of the gate. So let me show you the gate. This is the road. So it's a 4-lane expressway. So as you can see, this is approaching towards Rajarat, Chomatha, and this side the road is approaching towards Chinar Park. Chinar Park crossing is just 3 km from this project, and Newtown Action Area 2 is just 1 km from this project, and this is the actual land parcel. So you can see this is the outer elevations of the building, and we will be providing you club vistas. The club will be of G plus 4. A dedicated clubhouse will be there, and you will be having every facilities and amenities. Currently we have launched the project with an attractive price offer. So you can see this is club vistas, and this side come. So this is the building elevations, and this side also. So this is the internal gardens, cricket pitch, and this is the actual land parcel. The land is U-shaped. So if I can zoom in, then you can understand. So let me zoom in. So this is one part of the U, and that part will be U-turned, and the project boundary is also situated on the 91 bus route. So it's a huge project area of 7 acres. So we are having front gate and 211 bus route, and the back gate will be on the 91 bus route. So the towers will be coming on this position for phase 1, and the towers second phase will be coming just behind this land. So the total flat will be approx 1000, and G plus 14 towers will be constructed with separate MLCP multi-level car parking buildings will be there. So let me show you the site office, marketing office. So we are going inside the marketing office. And this is the miniature model, and you can see this is the approaching gate. This is on 211 bus route of Newtown Rajarat, and these buildings are of G plus 14. The phase 1 will be on this side, and the phase 2 will be on this side. So let me show you the external elevations. So these are the external elevations of the building, and you can see this is the central garden, this portion. All facilities and amenities will be given on the central garden and clubhouse. So this is club vistas. This is of G plus 2 height with every facilities and amenities. And the main USP of this project is located on 211 bus route. Not only that, the back gate will be on 91 bus route. You can see this road is 91 bus route behind this project, and this is MLCP multi-level car parking space. And on the rooftop of the multi-level car parking there will be multi-purpose court like this one, badminton court, multi-purpose court, table tennis court, everything will be provided. And this is multi-level car parking. This block is dedicated to that. And this is the elevations. So this is another road, and you can see the total project periphery. Single towers will be G+11 and rest towers will be G+14. So if you have any queries, then feel free to ask us. We have just launched this project, so we are offering great price for investments. So the tentative handover of phase 1 is 2026 December, and the phase 2 will be launched after 2 years. So hope you like this. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.